Do you know the lovely old village of Kersey in Suffolk? If you don't, you've missed one of the most fascinating bits of living history in the country. Kersey has clung steadfastly to its 15th century charm, and today the place abounds in ancient timbered houses, mellowed and tinted by the passing years. The church is on a rise at one end of the village, and from its tower you can enjoy a glorious view of typical East Anglian countryside. The church itself has a register dating back to 1542. Many of these timbered houses were the homes of the weavers, who in the old days worked at their looms making the famous Kersey cloth. Although the industry has perished, like other ancient rural arts, memories of the days of its prosperity can never be effaced. Just beyond the old river house runs the tiny stream which gives Kersey, as it was originally called, its name. Ker is the old Saxon word for stream, and Sy for ditch, and that's as much as the natives thought of their river. Kersey, the village that lives in the past.